Whit wye should we idly waste our prime, repeating our oppressions? Come rouse till arms, 'tis now the time to punish past transgressions. 'Tis said that kings can deny wrong, their murderous deeds deny it, and syne for us their purest sprung, we hae a recht to try it. Now ilka true patriot's song shall be, welcome death or liberty. Proud priests and bishops we'll translate, and canonise as martyrs. A guillotine on piers shall wait, and nichts shall hang in garters. Yon despots long hae trod us down, and judges are their engines. Sic wretched minions o' a crown maun begin the folk's vengeance. The day 'tis theirs, the morn we shall don the cap of liberty. The golden age will then revive, ilka man will be a brother. In harmony we a' shall live, and share the earth together. In virtue learnt, in lichtened youth, we'll love ilka fellow creature, and future years shall prove a truth, that man is guid by nature. Then let us toast, with 3 times 3, the reign o' peace and liberty.